slept like shit last night.
This is one of my favorite, like, quick, easy breakfasts for the morning. So at my new job, I don't have to wear my own scrubs. I can always just use some that are provided. So it's kind of nice because I get to just walk into work looking like this. A little bit of pomegranate seed. Ooh, a lot of pomegranate seed. A little bit of magic spoon. Love adding this in the yogurt. This is like a vanilla chamomile flavor. Really nice, creamy flavor. Try it for yourself or don't. Look at my apple. What the fuck? So no. Okay. Nosh. Teriyaki bowl. Protein shake. Apple. I've been really liking these little Simple Meals sweet thins. It's like a reward. Beverage. My pre-made drink for later.